Thank you, INIU, for sending this item for me to check out. We are looking at the INIU power bank, which is a 100-watt output. All right, you open it by pulling this tab here. Open in the top, pull the tab out, check the side first. We also have a cable that is both USB-C connections and this carrying pouch for the battery. We got some paperwork here. All right, here we have the portable charger, the INIU fast charge power bank designed by INIU. We have the power button here, and then we have one USB-C, which can output 100 watts. And then we have a second USB-C, which is an out 2, and that is 45 watts. And then we have the USB-A. So this one outputs 18 watts. Then on the back, we have some of the information. So if you ever forget like what it can do, it's a little hard to read here under the light. But the capacity is 25,000 milliamp hour or 91.25 watt hour. And then it talks about the N, how much you can accept. It's 65 watts. So this is the only when you're charging the battery. So if you have a charger that's 65 watts, you can charge it at 65 watts for this charger. If they're both connected, this will be 65 and this will be 45. Then if you connect one here and one here, the output will be 65 watts and 18 watts. Then of course the 2 and the 3 would be the 15 watt in total. So when these are all connected, the 65 and then the 15. All right, so let's turn it on. Oh, at least we get a number here, 53. And the power bank itself is TSA compliant. We're gonna do a quick charge test here with my Galaxy Samsung 24 Plus. And right now it's at 5%. 5% battery here. I'm gonna get this included USB-C to USB-C cable. Since this can output 100 watts, this is more than enough power. See here, super fast charging 2.0. It'll be fully charged in 1 hour and 2 minutes. So let's see. Oh, I forgot. Let's get a timer going here. But we are testing the INIU fast charge with 100 watt output, which is more than enough because the Samsung 24 Plus only needs 45 watts of max power. So you'll have enough power even when everything's connected here, because you know this one will always output either 100 watt or 65 watts. So it should be enough for any phone. And of course, if you have a laptop that uses USB-C charging, depending on what laptop you use, 100 watts should be more than enough. So it's going to estimate about maybe when it gets to 20%, this will be fully charged. All right, it is fully charged at 100%, and we are at 18% left charge. So that's about 35% of the battery that we used. Man, it took about an hour and 11 minutes. It probably could have charged faster if the phone wasn't on. If we had turned it off, probably charged a lot faster and used less of the battery. But as you can see, it's not bad at all. So now the percentage of power that has left is at 18% with the INIU fast charge power bank. So how long will it take to fully recharge the battery, which has an input 65 watts to charge the battery, which is very good. So it shouldn't take too long. So, but we're gonna test to kind of get a basic idea from 18% to 100%. How long does it take? I'm going to be using my 100 watt anker charger block with the 250 watt cable. And now let's get started. So I took my eye off of it for a moment. So it took about an hour and 44 minutes, a little bit less than that, to get to 100%. So it definitely charges a lot faster compared to my other power banks, which take almost about maybe 4 hours or so to get it fully charged. And this has been the INIU Power Bank 100 watts.